Hello everybody at Fanpage. My name is Lennart Bobzien and I'm the European PES Brand Manager. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 new features coming to eFootball PES 2020. The first one I'm going to start with is complete improvements around the gameplay. This year we worked very closely with our PES advisor Andres Iniesta together. He now lives in Tokyo and he worked very closely with our development team. So he sat down with the team and gave loads of feedback in terms of the gameplay, which means now the gameplay is much smoother. We added more animations and also we added a new feature called Finesse Dribble, which allows you to dribble through the defense more easily with the right stick. The second new feature is the presentation. This year we completely revamped the presentation, not only the user interface, but also we introduced preset camera angle, which gives a more compelling TV broadcast feel. The third feature is a complete new mode. It's not actually a feature, but it's a new mode which is called Matchday. Matchday reflects the real matchday schedule from the real world of football, which means that at the beginning of each week you pick a side from a match which is happening on the following weekend. You play for that side and in the end you have the ultimate winner towards the end of the week. It's a mode where we want to bring the community together and that the players are representing one of the 2 football teams. The fourth feature is Master League. With Master League we are in year 2 of a 3-year plan. This year we introduce a real-life transfer system. We've introduced interactive cutscenes and I think one of the coolest features is that now you will be able to sign up legendary managers for your team, which means that right now we've already announced legends such as Maradona, Zico or Cruyff, and you can have those legends on your sideline as your manager. The last feature is one of the trademarks of the series, is the visuals or the graphics in the game. This year we've scanned many players with our full body 3D scan technology, which means that the players will look like the real players in the game. And also we've put loads of details towards stadiums as well to bring the stadiums to life, not only with what's happening on the pitch, but also with the whole atmosphere, including the supporters. eFootball PES 2020 will be available from the 10th of September. It will come out on PlayStation 4, Xbox One and PC Steam. Also, the demo will be available from July 30th, so in 2 weeks' time. Thanks a lot for everyone and hopefully you will be able to enjoy Juventus FC exclusively in PES 2020 very soon.